We should sell this coconut and be rich as.
But we only get a couple of bucks.
A couple of bucks is better than we got now.
Where's the customers?
We need some tourists over here. We should make an ad to tell them, Meitaki, it's all good here, bro. Kia ora ana. Here are the top 10 reasons to come to the Cook Islands. Number 1, we're so friendly.
Kia ora ana! Kia ora ana! Kia ora ana!
And everyone makes the place so nice for you. Don't just take it from me. Meet Brian. He's a tourist. He came here and celebrated his 21st with his cousins. He's having so much fun, he hasn't even left. Brian, how long have you been here? What do you love most about the Cook Islands? Well, words can't describe it. And number 2, we're just like that famous island, Ireland. Everywhere's green as.
Oh, Danny boy, the pipes are called.
We also like singing songs and do our own funny dancing.
Glen to glen and down the mountainside.
And at the end of every day, a pot of gold.
And all
Number 3, there's no crowds. Meet Terry, the strongest person in my village. She's so strong, she can tear this phone book in half.
It's not that hard. Only 12,000 people live here.
See? As easy as a holiday in the Cook Islands. Number 4, fresh food is cheap as. Kia ora ana, auntie.
Kia ora ana.
Check this out. You get this banana, these 2 avocado, all for $5.
Here, have another one. Take it for your mama.
But auntie, I'm trying to visualize a hypothetical calculation for the tourist.
That's the one.
Number 5, a rare natural beauty. My science teacher, Miss Bitey. Number 6, it's so easy to get anywhere. It's just 32 k's around Rarotonga. Sonny here will demonstrate. Getting anywhere takes no time. From the plane landing to the beach, just 30 minutes. How the hell did you stop for a haircut, bro? Tidy as.
Like an island, George Clooney.
Number 7, there's heaps of stuff to do. We've got snorkeling, diving, lagoon tours, fishing,
Rope swing!
mountain biking, jungle trekking, kite surfing.
Hot out, pimped up crab racing.
Woo!
Check out my jacuzzi, bro. Come on, Turbo. Talk.
Woo! Hey, your pimped out crab racing is stink. Tourists are sophisticated. You know what our best attraction is? Number 8, Aitutaki, the world's most beautiful lagoon. It's a beautiful...
Don't spoil it.
Number 9, it's the most romantic place in the world.
Kia kia o ia koe, maine. Teraro e te marama.
Cheers. Brian, you're not romantic, bro. Finally, number 10. Our coconut store is natural, refreshing. It's got your name on it.
How many of these do I have to do?
Get busy, bro. Once this egg gets out, the tourists are gonna be flocking in. Any time now,